Welcome back to Explain CAD. Today we start Catia assembly tutorials. First of all, in this tutorial we will know how to open assembly environment and how to insert parts in Catia assembly. For that, select Start, Mechanical Design, Assembly Design. This is the assembly environment of Catia. From here, select existing components. The components which we already create in Catia, we can insert components from here. Existing component, click here. Now select here products. You can browse the location of products, parts, where you create the parts. I select this rod, select open. This is open. First is we have to fix this part. For that, select this constraint fix component, select it and select the part. Again, I select existing component, select product. Now this time I select this part too, select open. This part is inserted here. From here we can manipulate it, select manipulation. We can move it in X direction, select Y direction, we can move it in Y direction, Z direction, it will move in Z direction. We can also move it along XY plane, YZ plane and ZX plane. We can also rotate this part along X-axis, along Y-axis, along Z-axis. This is the tutorial for how to insert part in Catia and how to manipulate the part in Catia. In next tutorial we will know about constraints, how to apply relations between two parts. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.